World Launch New that currently you can only get right here on the queue. As I invite out Sherrie Hicks, who's the Vice President of Development, and hello,
hey,
my
Sean.
friend, nice to see you.
Great to see you.
I
You
said
look wonderful.
last hour, thank you, you do too, in Tuesday Night Beauty that I am obsessed with teeth whitening. It is my lifelong passion and really my ongoing goal to get teeth that are the shade of liquid paper. Now, there are many abrading ways to do that, but I have found a whole new way to do that. And Sherrie, I opened the show by saying we're gonna have teeth whitening in the show. And this teeth whitening is pretty cool because if sensitivity is an issue for you, this teeth whitening system that takes only 12 minutes a day, and this is a collection, a protocol that is used for up to 10 days. This is a clinical grade collection of teeth whitening that can strengthen your teeth so that they are not so perilously kind of hurt by the process of whitening them. Forget the fact that these little tubes, these little syringes, they're clinical grade. There's 2 chambers in there of dental grade power. So my dear, it's nice to have you.
Thank you so much, Sean.
The brand is called...
So excited to be here.
What is the brand? miBrite?
It's miBrite.
miBrite.
miBrite Illustra Teeth Whitening.
Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to tell everybody, because this is a 10-day protocol and because you're only doing it for 12 minutes, welcome to your new best friend and the silicone mouthpiece that whether it's man, woman, it fits into everyone's mouth. Okay, so first of all, I know this works because I've seen the pictures. Can we just show, as a tease, one of the pictures of the whiter teeth? Because this is pretty impressive. Oh, holy cow.
Yes, look at this. This was a patient from one of our clinical studies and achieved 10 shade improvement. Unbelievable. In dental office, I trained dentists clear across, coast to coast. And I'll tell you, in the dental office, we never even saw 10 shades improvement. This was absolutely remarkable.
The backstory is that Sherrie, her colleague Keith, they have worked with pharmaceutical and dental chemists to come up with, can you explain the syringes? Because obviously, ultimately, you use a fresh tip system every day for 10 days. You're using this for 15 minutes a day, 12 if you like, in the mouthpiece. But it's what's in the syringe, which I can just hold up here, share and show. That right there is the power. It's called miBrite gel technology. Could you take it further for me?
I sure can, Sean. Thanks so much. The delivery of this system is quite unique. Unlike any other product, it comes in a dual chambered syringe with 2 formulas that actually are more stable and provide a more powerful whitening result for the patient because they both come down both the channels and then go into the spiral mixing tip. So you get the freshest whitening product available.
There you go.
The freshest available.
So the idea of the dual chambers, and in a dental office when they teeth whiten, they are able to keep the formula stay fresh into the very moment it hits the teeth. That is the activity that's going on here. But the other cool thing is, if you are worried about teeth being affected by teeth whitening, this is actually a formula that strengthens the enamel of the teeth. So we're going to explain that. How does this work? Take me through it.
The actual technology behind this is nanobrite science. It is strengthening and remineralizing the tooth enamel. So when we talk about sensitivity issues, Sean, this does the complete opposite.
Now, of course, you're filling the immediate Stay Fresh dual chamber dental grade formula, nanobrite gel technology, thank you so much, into the silicone top and bottom. And then you just pop that in your mouth, right? And you wear it for how long?
12 minutes, Sean, 12 minutes. And the kit gives you up to 10 days.
Now, I have to say, the biggest wow, right here, check them out. How many shades are we getting whiter with this?
In our clinical study, the average patient, 5.8 shades improvement. In some cases, patients got up to 10 shades.
Guys, I mean, this is the big time. In as little as 10 days. Not even joking, these afters, can you go back to that last one? Literally, it looks like the teeth is glowing in the dark. This is my personal dream. I will tell you that you can get as bright and white as up to, one person did, 10 shades whiter in 10 days. Do you understand what we're saying? That is a shade a day. Sherrie, that's pretty astounding.
Oh, it's unbelievable. In the average dental offices, they achieved about 5 shades. So to get 10 shades, Sean, this was off the chart.
I mean, Obviously, there are many ways to whiten your teeth. When pharmaceutical and dental chemists come together and they develop a product for at-home use, but utilizes and harnesses the big guns of chemistry and science that dentists use, which Sherrie trains many of those practices on teeth whitening, that's a world launch groundbreaking. So Sherrie, this is a 10-day protocol. The 2 syringes, they each come with their own Stay Fresh tip.
This is correct.
This is the silicone mouthpiece.
Yep.
It fits in everyone's mouth.
Soft and cushiony.
And would you mind sharing with everybody the kind of extraordinary thing, which is it actually manages somehow your technology to strengthen the tooth enamel, so you're not prone to the hot, the cold, the worries there.
Correct. This technology is backed by 24 years of experience, and it does not only, as I was stating before, it remineralizes and it strengthens the enamel. It takes care of the sensitivity issues that you were speaking about.
Guys,
it's unbelievable.
That's the big thing that people talk about with teeth whitening, right? So this is the one that I'm super hot on right now. It's called miBrite. It is patented. It is a faster way to get brighter because, can we show those before and afters again?
The before and afters are great, aren't they?
One of these looks like their teeth is glowing in the dark, which is just my personal dream. These people got up to, in some cases, 10 shades whiter in 10 days. Sherrie, that's a shade a day.
Unbelievable. And you know what else, Sean? We include a professional shade guide in the kit. We're so sure you're going to get phenomenal results with this kit.
This next one's my favorite.
Oh, yeah. This is Adam. Adam is basically a young professional, and his teeth look pretty white, wouldn't you say? They look pretty white. But you know what? Look what happened after 10 days.
Here's my second
popped.
favorite. Here's the next one. Second favorite.
Yep, this is Jackie.
They're glowing. They're so white.
They're glowing.
So she got that in 10 days.
10 days, yep.
And so when you look at the shade guide, she is as white as you can get on the included shade guide. I mean, this really is now harnessing almost like a dentist in your bathroom to achieve this. And the other cool thing is, you know, while it's an at-home kit, it actually manages to strengthen the tooth enamel. So hot, cold, worries about that, sensitivity. And then I also want to point out, you really say 12 minutes a day.
12 minutes a day. It's that simple. It's a very quick, easy, and effective system.
Oh, it's so good. So total new launch. Here first and then other places. 3 easy payments of less than $1 a day. Up here, the formula, that's the patented, wow, Nano Bright Gel. And of course, obviously, the results speak for themselves. A shade a day, Sherrie, a shade a day. Thank you, my dear friend.
Oh, thank
nice
you.
To
Great to
you.
be here. Thank you.
All right, so guys, stick around. Sherrie, myself, we bid you adieu for only a few seconds because there's a whole rest of this 2-hour The Find, and we have a lot more to share with you.
Are you hungry for more in the kitchen?
Because now you can watch both In the Kitchen shows on 2 amazing channels, and you can watch online.
Join us for In the Kitchen with David every Wednesday and Sunday on QVC.
And every Saturday for In the Kitchen with Mary on QVC2.
QVC Plus is now QVC2. What's the difference? The QVC2 Big Deal. Every night at 9 Eastern, discover QVC2's hottest item. Available for just 24 hours or until it's gone. With original shows, new and favorite brands, QVC2 is more of what you love. QVC2. Stream it now on QVC.com.
All right, listen, this is one of the last times you're going to see this today because